damaged, frizzy, chemically treated hair, or even normal hair. This is for you. Today I'll walk you through Cabello Chave Professional Neoplastia Treatment Procedure, an advanced reconstruction system that works deep within the hair fibers, restoring vital lipids, potassium, magnesium, and powered by nanomolecule technology to refine hair structure, minimize breakage, and deliver exceptionally smooth, healthy, salon-perfect results that last up to 65 to 70 washes. Step 1. Clarifying shampoo with rosemary extract to deep cleanse. Start with the Cabello Chave Professional Clarifying Shampoo. This step is crucial because it removes oil, dirt, and product buildup and swells the cuticle to prepare hair for deep repair. If hair is heavily oily or has buildup, you can shampoo twice. Focus on scalp and length. Towel dry, then blow dry. Roots 100% dry, length 50%. Keep slight moisture. Step 2. Neoplastia treatment application. Divide the hair into clean sections to ensure better spreadability, even product distribution, and enhanced absorption into every strand. Take the appropriate amount of Neoplastia treatment based on the hair density, length, and porosity. For today's demonstration, we are using approximately 50 ml, enough to fully nourish and coat the hair without excess product. This ensures optimal results while highlighting that our product is highly concentrated and efficient. Apply Neoplastia treatment section by section, keeping a half centimeter distance from the scalp. Make sure every strand is saturated evenly. Use a brush and comb to distribute the product evenly and emulsify it, ensuring deep penetration into the hair shaft. Step 3. Waiting processing time. Let the treatment process for 40 to 60 minutes, depending on the hair condition. For extremely damaged hair, you can minimize the time. Step 4. Rinse out approximately 30% of the product using about 200 ml of water. Then gently comb through to remove any excess product. Lightly squeeze the remaining product along the hair shaft. And if needed, use a towel to gently absorb any dripping water around the hairline. After rinsing, blow dry the hair until it is approximately 50% dry. Then, section by section, use a paddle or round brush to perform a smooth, straight blow dry, ensuring the roots and scalp are completely dry. There should be no remaining moisture on the hair or scalp before moving next step. As there is demarcation in the model's hair, we will set the temperature at 250 degrees Celsius from the roots to mid-lengths. And reduce it to 210 degrees Celsius from the mid-lengths to the ends. For fine to damaged hair, 180 to 210 degrees Celsius. Normal to virgin hair, 210 to 230 degrees Celsius. Thick to resistant hair, 230 to 250 degrees Celsius. Take thin sections, pass the flat iron 15 to 17 times per section. For virgin or untreated hair, 15 to 20 passes is required. Seal the cuticle for long-lasting results. Apply higher heat from the roots to mid-lengths and lower heat from the mid-lengths to the ends, especially where there is demarcation, previously chemically treated or sensitized hair, to ensure even straightening and optimal sealing for the hair cuticles. After ironing, allow hair to cool for few minutes. Then wash with the Neoplastia shampoo. Rinse thoroughly. Apply the Neoplastia conditioner to lock in moisture for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse and towel dry. Step 6. Final styling and results. Blow dry and style as desired. You will notice instant smoothness, reduced frizz, instant shine, and stronger, healthier hair from the inside out. Cabello Chave Professional Neoplastria treatment helps reinforce hair structure, reduce breakage, and maintain results up to 65 to 70 washes with proper home care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional hair care education. Comment below if you want an aftercare routine video.